What is up YouTube, Moltan here, bringing you another tutorial on mixitup, and today the video is about how to add a scene command, so your mods or your VIPs or whoever you trust with this command can change your scene for you if you get too enveloped into a game and you just forget to change your scene. We've all done it. It's just a simple quality of life kind of thing. It makes it that bit easier. So if you head on over to Google, type in mixitup, download, click on this first link here, and then it'll bring you up to this page. Click download in the corner, get that ready for you. There you go, job's a good one. Obviously I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to head over to here. Make sure you have all your services connected, so like your overlay, your stream elements, and so on and so on. OBS Studio. I have a lot of things connected because I do a lot of things on here. But after that, here's where the explanation of how to set up the scene switching command is for you. So you head over to commands. Now you click new command, but mine's already pre-made in mod commands because only my mods can do it. And as you can see here, we've got game scene. Click on the edit command button. Whatever the scene is you want to change to, type it into the chat trigger here. Name the scene whatever you want. I've put it gameplay just because of I tend to switch to my just chatting and not switch back. You can set a command group like that, like I have there. So I've got my mod commands, my viewer commands, and so on. To change who can use it, go to user role, which is just here. You'll have streaming platforms, all roles moderator. You can go advanced and get individual roles from each and every platform that you can stream on. And then it's as simple as this. You go down to actions, you scroll down to streaming software OBS slobs, and then inside of here you select your streaming software, which is OBS Studio. You select your action, which is scene, which you'll find in here, but obviously mine's already clicked on the top, and you just type in the case sensitive number there. And then I will show you this working in just one moment. Here we are on the OBS screen. As you can see, we are already on OBS recording now. And as you can see, you just simply type in game play, which is the name of my scene, which only my mods can use. But whenever we're in just chatting, or we accidentally start up on the raid scene or the audio sources, so on and so on, they just type this. And as you see, it switches across. And there you have it. It's that simple. If this did help at all today, or you'd like to have any more in-depth tutorials on how to use mixitup, if you'd like to know just how to generally set it up, I would leave a link to my Discord down below, which you're more than welcome to join, and I will jump in a call with you and help you out with that. But as for these little tutorials, I will be doing them every day. If you would like one on how to actually connect mixitup to your stream, then please let me know down below. Much pleasure, much enjoyment. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Peace.